Don't just code. 5 hidden skills to master AI careers in 10 minutes. You just built your first AI model, you followed the tutorial perfectly. But instead of the glorious future it promised, all you got was an error message. Sound familiar? Don't sweat it. Most people think coding is the only skill you need to conquer AI. They're wrong. It's like trying to bake a cake with just flour. You need sugar, eggs, the right temperature. AI's the same way. Today we're diving into the 5 hidden skills nobody tells you about. The secret sauce that separates the AI rookies from the pros. We're talking data pipelines that make your computer scream, the math that makes AI tick, and how to protect your creations from rogue robots. Just kidding, sort of. Buckle up because we're about to supercharge your AI journey. Data engineering AI's plumbing. Alright, imagine this. You're building the world's most amazing water park, right? But instead of awesome slides and wave pools, you only focus on the pipes underneath. Sounds kinda boring, right? That's what data engineering is for AI. It's the hidden plumbing that makes everything work, even if it doesn't get all the glory. We're talking about building those massive data pipelines like the ones Google uses to handle billions of searches every day. Think of it like this. Your AI model is a high-performance race car. It needs the right fuel to run, and that fuel is data. But raw data is messy, like crude oil straight from the ground. It needs to be refined and processed before it can power your AI engine. That's where ETL pipelines come in. Extract, transform, load. It's like taking that messy data, cleaning it up and turning it into high-octane fuel for your AI. And the tool for the job? Apache Spark. It's like the turbocharger for your data pipeline, letting you process massive amounts of information at lightning speed. Now I know what you're thinking, this sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. Later in the video, we're going to build a real-time data pipeline together. And spoiler alert, it's way easier than assembling IKEA furniture. So, if you want your AI models to be the Ferraris of the machine learning world, you gotta master the art of data engineering. It's the foundation upon which all great AI is built. Math for ML AI skeleton. Okay, let's talk math. I know, it's not everyone's favorite subject, but trust me, when it comes to AI, math isn't just some abstract concept, it's the backbone, the skeleton, that holds everything together. Imagine trying to understand how a car works without knowing anything about engines, transmissions, or wheels. That's what it's like trying to do AI without a solid grasp of math. Linear algebra, for example, is like the origami of data. It lets you fold, bend, and manipulate information in ways that seem like magic. Calculus is the engine that optimizes your models, helping them learn from data and make accurate predictions. And then there's probability. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you how confident your AI is in its decisions. Is it 99% sure that's a cat in the picture, or is it just guessing? Probability gives you the answer. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a math whiz to work with AI, but having a basic understanding of these concepts is crucial. It's like baking a cake. You don't need to be a pastry chef, but you do need to know your flour from your sugar. So, don't be afraid of the math. Embrace it. It's the key to unlocking the true power of AI and building models that are both intelligent and reliable. Chapter 3. Software development, more than just code. Alright, let's talk code. Now, I know you're probably thinking, Mark, isn't coding the whole point of AI? And you're not wrong. But here's the thing. Coding is just one piece of the puzzle. It's like knowing how to use a hammer. It doesn't make you a master carpenter. Software engineering is about building robust, scalable, and maintainable systems. It's like designing a house. You need a blueprint, a solid foundation, and a plan for how everything fits together. That's where design patterns come in. They're like pre-built blueprints for common software problems, saving you time and headaches. Think of them as recipes for your code. Follow them closely, and you'll end up with a delicious cake. Ignore them, and you'll get a burnt mess. And speaking of code, let's talk about programming languages. Python is like the duct tape of AI. It's versatile, easy to learn, and can fix just about anything. Java, on the other hand, is like industrial-strength glue. It's powerful, reliable, and perfect for building large, complex systems. So if you want to build AI systems that are more than just lines of code, you need to level up your software engineering game, learn about design patterns, master different programming languages, and always strive for clean, maintainable code. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Chapter 4. Business AI, where money meets machine. Alright, let's talk business. Because let's face it, even the coolest AI project is useless if it doesn't solve a real-world problem, or even better, make some money. This is where business AI comes in. It's like having a GPS for your AI projects, guiding you towards solutions that actually matter. It's about understanding the business context, identifying opportunities for AI to add value, and measuring the return on investment. Because here's the thing, not every problem needs AI. Sometimes a simple spreadsheet or a well-designed process is all you need. Business AI is about cutting through the hype and figuring out where AI can truly make a difference. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a blockchain-powered toaster, would you? It's overkill. The same goes for AI. You need to choose the right tool for the job, and make sure it aligns with your business goals. So, before you dive headfirst into building that next AI-powered widget, take a step back and ask yourself, what problem am I trying to solve? How will AI help me achieve my business objectives? And most importantly, is it worth the investment? Mastering the art of business AI will not only make you a better AI practitioner, but it will also make you a valuable asset to any organization. Chapter 5. Cybersecurity: protecting your AI from the dark side. Okay, picture this. You've built the world's smartest AI. It can predict the stock market, cure diseases, and even make a mean cup of coffee. But then, disaster strikes. Hackers infiltrate your system, turning your brilliant creation into their evil puppet. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? Well, in the world of AI, cybersecurity isn't just about stopping rogue robots, it's about protecting your models from real-world threats. Because here's the thing, AI models are vulnerable. They can be tricked, manipulated, and even stolen. Think of adversarial attacks like optical illusions for AI. By making subtle changes to data, hackers can fool your models into seeing things that aren't there. It's like showing a self-driving car a stop sign that looks like a speed limit sign. Recipe for disaster. But don't worry, there are ways to fight back. Anomaly detection is like playing whack-a-mole with threats, constantly monitoring your system for suspicious activity and shutting it down before it can do any damage. Protecting your AI is like building a fortress around it, with multiple layers of security to keep the bad guys out. You need strong passwords, encryption, access controls, and a whole arsenal of other tools to keep your AI safe and sound. So as you embark on your AI journey, remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Make cybersecurity a top priority and don't let the bad guys win. So there you have it, the 5 hidden skills that will transform you from an AI hobbyist into a true AI master. Remember, building successful AI solutions takes more than just coding. It's about understanding the entire ecosystem, from data pipelines to cybersecurity. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these skills are you most excited to learn about? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome AI content, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Next time, we're diving deep into the world of ethical hacking, and I'll show you how I hacked an AI model. Don't worry, it was totally ethical. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.